What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 most profitable custom table designs inside of my own woodworking business that's now doing over $70,000 per month every month. Let's dive in. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, grateful for your time and your attention. In today's video, I want to give you the 5 most profitable custom table designs inside of my own custom furniture business. Now, we're doing over $70,000 per month now here at Iron by Iron Woodworks. I want to tell you the 5 most profitable table designs that I offer. Okay, so number 1, we're going to start with our Dixon table. Now, I'm actually sitting at a Dixon table right now. It has 4 legs at the corners, and we do these with white painted bases and stained tops. We do them fully stained. This table is kind of a classic, and we sell this thing like wildfire. We sell it with smooth oak tops, southern pine tops, with maple tops, with walnut tops. Really just depends on the budget and the preference of the client, but we offer custom paints, custom stains, custom sizes, and that's one of the things that really sets us apart. Okay, so number 1 is the Dixon table, and you can check out these table legs. There's multiple places to get them on Etsy. That's free. That didn't cost you a thing. Number 2 is our Watson table design. This is the original table design that we ever built here at Iron by Iron Woodworks. This design is actually still in my house today. The first table I ever made was this Watson design, and it is kind of a timeless classic farmhouse style design. Now, you can, again, do these with painted bases, stained tops, or you can do the whole thing stained. We offer them with oak bases, with southern pine bases. It really depends, again, on the budget of the client and what they're looking for as far as design is concerned and durability. We always try to push people to oak if we can, or maple or walnut. It's just a higher quality wood. It's going to move less, but people that are more on a budget, we want to try to capture that lower portion of the market that they're more on a budget with our southern pine options. Okay, so number 3, our third table design is our Harrison table. Now, our Harrison table is a really unique design. It's not as easy to make or manufacture as the first 2 that I mentioned, but we sell a ton of these tables, and so we actually handcraft these tulip legs, and we probably sell 7-8 of these per month right now. We sell them typically in sets. In my personal opinion, these look best fully stained. They're going to look best when the legs are stained to match the tabletop. One of the things that you should be able to see here is we actually have access to what we call circle sawn oak, and this stuff sells like wildfire too. So if you can get your hands on any reclaimed looking or rough sawn timber materials, it's going to really set you apart and make you different as opposed to just standard, plain, simple designs. Okay. Number 4 is our Arendelle table. Now, our Arendelle table is a really unique design that a client brought to us probably 2 years ago that they were wanting made, and so it's a combination of hand-carved legs, then custom fabricated metal bracing underneath it, and so it's a really unique design. It's one of those that I would have never thought to make myself, but once we made the first one and got great photos of it, we have been selling it like crazy, and so people love this design. It really does look good with a white base and then the black metal bars. Great looking table. We've sold a ton of them. And then lastly is kind of our newcomer, and that is our Austin table. There's actually an Austin table right here, but our Austin table, it has these really big tulip style legs on each of the 4 corners. It kind of is a crossover type table to more farmhouse design or more modern design. It's a really unique, different style table that we've been selling like crazy. One of the ways that we've been selling a lot of these is we came up with a lighter, like tannish, grayish stain that we're using on these tables. That combination, for whatever reason, has been incredibly popular. And so if you are building a custom furniture business, if you're trying to sell tables, if you're trying to sell anything woodworking, handmade, business related, I got a couple of free resources for you. So number 1, this YouTube channel and my podcast, the Handmade Business Secrets podcast. Listen, there is a ton of content. I think this is episode number 177. I talk about all things business related for growing your custom woodworking business. The second thing I want to talk to you about is my free ebook, the Handmade Business Secrets ebook. And you can click on a link below. All you gotta do is enter your first name and your email. We'll send that to you. It's about a 90-page read, and it's packed with information on how I scaled my business to over $70,000 per month and how you can do the same. The next resource I want to mention to you is our Handmade Hero Academy, and that is a program that I've packaged with all the knowledge that I use to get beyond $10,000 to $15,000 a month. So if you're trying to leave a job, if you want to do this full time, if you're trying to grow out of your garage just like how I started, that's going to be the number 1 resource for you to check out. And you can get started for as little as $47 a month. Inside of that program, you get instant access to it, and we back it it with a full money back guarantee. I promise it's going to be beneficial to you on your journey. And then lastly, if you're doing at least $5,000 to $10,000 per month as a woodworking business owner and you want to scale, check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program below. You'll click there, fill out an application, schedule a call, and I'll hop on the phone with you and see if we can help you scale to new heights. We've got over 20 clients at the moment, and I would love to add you as a client there as well. So with that being said, love and appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. I'll see you in the next one. Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. All right.